Jet fighters are amazing feats of engineering. They are fast, powerful, and deadly. These aircraft protect our skies and keep us safe, but they are not invincible. Jet fighters face many dangers. Accidents can happen. These accidents can cost lives and money. We need to do everything we can to protect our jet fighters and the brave pilots who fly them. We must explore new technologies and ideas. One idea is a secret signal. This signal could help prevent crashes and save lives. It could change how we think about jet fighter safety. This signal is not just a dream, it is a real possibility, with the potential to revolutionize aviation. Stealth technology is very important for jet fighters. It makes them hard to detect by radar. This gives them a big advantage in combat, but new technology is making stealth less effective. China has developed a way to detect stealth aircraft using satellites. This is a serious threat to our air superiority. We need to find ways to counter this new threat. Our enemies are catching up in the technology race. We can no longer rely solely on stealth to keep our jets safe. This secret signal could be the answer. It could provide an additional layer of protection, ensuring our pilots have the best chance of survival. The future of air combat demands innovation, and this signal could be the key. Air traffic control is essential for preventing collisions. Controllers direct aircraft in the sky, keeping them apart. But air traffic control systems are not perfect. Mistakes can happen and they can be deadly. The recent Black Hawk helicopter crash is a tragic example. The helicopter collided with a commercial airliner, killing many people. This tragedy shows the limitations of current air traffic control. We need better systems to prevent such accidents. Our skies are becoming more crowded, with both military and civilian aircraft sharing the airspace. A secret signal could help cut through the clutter, providing a clear and unambiguous warning system to prevent collisions. It's time to invest in technology that safeguards our skies. Imagine a signal that only jet fighters can hear. This signal could warn pilots of danger. It could tell them about enemy aircraft, bad weather, or even problems with their own aircraft. This signal could be the difference between life and death for a pilot. It could be a beacon in the storm, guiding them to safety. This is not science fiction. We have the technology to create such a signal. It could use a combination of radio waves, lasers, or even coded pulses of light. The signal would be invisible and inaudible to anyone without the proper equipment. This would make it impossible for the enemy to detect or jam. Section 5. How the signal works. A symphony of technology. This secret signal would be integrated into the jet fighter's existing systems. It would use a combination of sensors, software, and communication devices. The signal would be transmitted through a secure network, making it virtually impossible to intercept. The signal could be used for a variety of purposes. It could warn pilots of approaching missiles, giving them precious seconds to react. It could alert them to nearby aircraft, preventing mid-air collisions. It could even transmit vital data about the jet fighter's condition, allowing ground crews to identify potential problems before they become catastrophic. This signal represents a giant leap forward in aviation safety. Section 6. Real-world scenarios, from training grounds to war zones. Imagine a training exercise where two jet fighters are engaged in a mock dogfight. Suddenly, one of the pilots receives a warning signal. Another aircraft is on a collision course. The pilot takes evasive action just in time, avoiding a disaster. Now picture a war zone. A jet fighter is on a bombing mission. The pilot receives a signal warning of enemy anti-aircraft missiles. The pilot deploys countermeasures and takes evasive maneuvers, successfully avoiding the threat. These scenarios highlight the life-saving potential of this secret signal in both training and real-world combat situations. Section 7. Integration and implementation. A seamless transition. Integrating this signal into existing jet fighters would be a complex but achievable task. It would require collaboration between aircraft manufacturers, software developers, and military agencies. But the benefits far outweigh the challenges. The signal could be incorporated into new aircraft designs or retrofitted onto existing fleets. The technology could be standardized across different models of jet fighters, ensuring interoperability between different units, and even allied nations. This would require international cooperation and data sharing agreements, but the payoff would be a significant enhancement in global aviation safety. Section 8. The benefits: saving lives and resources. The benefits of this secret signal are numerous. It could save lives by preventing crashes and giving pilots a tactical advantage in combat. It could also save money by reducing the number of accidents and extending the lifespan of our jet fighters. The signal could also improve training exercises, making them safer and more realistic. By investing in this technology, we are investing in the safety and security of our nation. It is a small price to pay for the peace of mind it would provide to our pilots and their families. Section 9. The future of flight safety, a call to action. The secret signal is more than just an idea. It is a necessary step in the evolution of flight safety. We have the technology, and we have the responsibility to develop and implement it. The future of our jet fighters and the pilots who fly them depends on it. We must act now to make this vision a reality. Our skies are becoming increasingly congested and contested. We need to stay ahead of the curve in terms of technology and innovation. This secret signal represents a bold step in that direction, and it is a step we must take to ensure the safety and security of our skies for generations to come.